Hi, this is a webinar on how to use the Class Cycler widget in the Reports tool in the ThinkWave system. This is the foundation widget for creating report cards and transcripts. It allows you to display class names, grades, and credits. Since we'll need to preview the widget as we adjust the look of it, we'll need to create a report to save the widget too. Click Add Report at the top left. Let's call this Demo, and organize it as one student per page. The layout is divided into 12 segments, but for this we'll use it as a quick reference. So make it 12/12ths for the row and the cell 12. You'll have to make the other cell 0, which will prompt you to delete it. Then click Save. To display the class cycler correctly, we're going to need to create a couple different widgets. First, we'll create a quick table widget to display the grades. Go to the top and click the Widget subtab. We'll call this Class Grades and make it a table. To get this info quickly, we're going to copy the merge functions for the classes and grades into the cells below. Merge functions are commands that allow you to automatically pull data such as grades. The instructions for the merge functions can be found here below the text window, and this gives you the definitions for the basic functions. And below here you have the commands, the descriptions, the variables available, and a sample. For the first one, we'll copy class. For the second, scroll down to the final grades merge function and copy the example line and paste it into the cell. And for the third, copy the credits earned merge function and add a pipe, term, underscore, SEL, term, underscore, 1, all within the brackets. Now save. Now we'll want to display the header for the grades and credits, so create another table widget. Call this one Grades Header. You can just type in class, grades, and credits into the cells. The pull-downs on the right will give you quick formatting options. Select Body Inverse for the first one, Medium Dark Shade for the next, then click Save. Now we'll create the Class Cycler. Click Add Widget at the top left. Call it Class Cycler and make it a Class Cycler. Here at the pull-down, you can select the type of sorting you want to have. You have a choice between the default sorting, location, credits, and report order. And here you have the custom filters. If you're displaying more than one term at a time, you can filter the results here. We go more into filters in the Term Cycler webinar. We'll leave it at the default sorting and put in no filters. Now add the Class Grades widget to the pull-down here and click Save. We'll have to create one more widget to display it properly. Click Add Widget at the top left, and we'll call this Class Cycler Column. Make it a column and click Save. First add the grades header, then a half a space, and finally add the Class Cycler. Then click Save. Now click the Layout subtab at the top, and the Class Cycler column to the cell, and click Save. To preview this, we'll have to open a new tab to ThinkWave.com and go to the Reports tab, then under the Custom Reports, click Demo. You can see here we have to select the term that we'll want to display. We'll show Semester 1, then select a student and click Generate. You can see here the header tells you the term and the grades and the credits. And that's the features of the Class Cycler widget in the Reports tool in the ThinkWave system. Thanks for watching.